Drop it.
Hello, welcome to Start Techie. Well, in this lesson, I am going to show you how you can connect your Adsense verification code to your website. Do you understand how you can add your verification code to your Blogger website? Let's dive in. Okay, so you just have to sign in into your Adsense account. So I'll leave the link at the description down below. Okay, and so that's it. So firstly, URL of your site. Just click on this pen over here. Then you go to your website and copy the URL of your website, and you just have to paste it over here. Paste it over here and click on save. So that is it. So now what we have to do right now is you have to copy this code and locate the ending of the head tag. Do you understand? You just place it over there. So you just have to sign in into your Blogger dashboard. Then you locate theme, click on theme. Okay, then you click on this right arrow over here. Just click on it. Click on edit. So this is it. So this is the HTML code of our website. Okay, so when you mess up with this code, if you are going to destroy your website, so you make sure what I do precaution, you just have to save your theme. Okay, you download your theme so that when you make any mistake, you can just re-upload it. Do you understand? So I'll make a video on that. Okay, so that's it. So what you have to do is just press on Ctrl plus F if you are using a Windows computer. But if you are using a Mac, you just use you just press Command plus F. Okay, so you just type in this code. So if you know code, if you know how to write HTML code, you just have to write the end tag for the head. Just click enter. So as you can see, this is the end tag. Okay, so you just have to locate a space over here, then just paste it. Oh, sorry. So you have to go and copy this code. Just copy this code, copy, then you paste it right here, just before the end of the head tag code. Okay, so that is it. So I have two code. Let me just clear this one. So after you are done, just click save. So that is it. Okay, so that is it. So you just have to mark I have pasted the code on my website into my website and click done. Looking for the code on your site. So as you can see, the code was found. Got it. So this is the end of our lesson. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, give a thumb up. Okay, so now we are waiting for Adsense to review our website, and when they accept our website, then we start making money. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and give a comment, or if you have any suggestion, just let me know. Okay, see you.